Welcome to Rev Zone, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious and performance-oriented sedans of the future, the 2026 Lexus LS 570 Wald V8. This car represents a perfect fusion of opulence, craftsmanship, and unrelenting power. Lexus has always been a symbol of understated luxury, but with the LS 570 Wald Edition, the brand pushes its boundaries into an entirely new dimension of prestige and performance refinement. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Lexus LS 570 Wald V8 commands attention the moment it appears. Its front end is an absolute statement piece, dominated by Lexus's signature spindle grille, now larger and bolder than ever, finished in high-gloss black with delicate chrome outlines that create a perfect contrast against the cream-white paint. The illuminated Lexus emblem at the center adds a futuristic glow that immediately catches the eye, especially under low-light conditions. The Wald body kit completely transforms the presence of the LS, giving it a wider stance and sportier posture without losing the elegance Lexus is known for. The aggressive front bumper features larger air intakes, carbon fiber inserts, and sharp lines that improve aerodynamics while exuding a sense of strength and motion. The sleek LED headlights with razor-thin daytime running lights are not just for show. They represent Lexus's next-generation adaptive beam system, offering improved illumination with dynamic cornering capability. The hood is long and muscular, sculpted with precision to guide airflow over the body. From the side, the car looks elongated and commanding, with a perfect balance between elegance and performance. The roofline slopes gracefully toward the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette, while the chrome window surrounds and door trims add a touch of sophistication. The side skirts from the Wald package lower the profile visually, and the large multi-spoke forged wheels, finished in dark chrome, complete the powerful stance. Moving to the rear, the design continues to impress. The full-width LED taillight strip stretches seamlessly from one side to the other, creating a visual connection that makes the LS 570 appear even wider. The Wald rear bumper integrates a carbon fiber diffuser and quad-chrome exhaust tips that signal the muscle hidden beneath the hood. A subtle lip spoiler adds a sporty flair while maintaining the car's clean lines. Every detail, from the curvature of the trunk lid to the placement of the Lexus and Wald badges, feels deliberate and beautifully executed. The cream color finish gives the sedan a warm yet commanding aura, making it equally suited for an executive driveway or a nighttime cityscape. Stepping inside, the 2026 Lexus LS 570 Wald V8 takes you into a world of unmatched craftsmanship and technological luxury. The cabin design reflects Lexus's philosophy of omotenashi, a Japanese approach to hospitality that ensures every element caters to the comfort and pleasure of its occupants. The interior materials are nothing short of exquisite. The seats are upholstered in premium semi-aniline leather with diamond quilting and contrast stitching, finished in soft beige that complements the exterior. The door panels and dashboard feature rich walnut wood inlays, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin with subtle golden tones. At the center of the dash sits a large curved OLED display that seamlessly merges the infotainment and instrument cluster into one continuous digital experience. The graphics are sharp and fluid, and the interface responds with exceptional smoothness. Lexus's voice command system has been upgraded with AI integration, allowing natural speech interactions. The center console hosts a crystal-finished gear selector and drive mode controls, surrounded by piano black surfaces that emphasize modern minimalism. The steering wheel is a blend of technology and tradition, leather-wrapped with multifunction controls and a sleek Lexus emblem at the center. The sound experience inside the LS 570 is breathtaking. The Mark Levinson 3D surround audio system delivers concert-quality sound through more than 20 speakers placed strategically throughout the cabin. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with electrically adjustable seats, individual climate zones, and integrated touchscreen controls on the rear center armrest. A panoramic sunroof extends across the ceiling, flooding the cabin with natural light during the day and offering a calming view of the night sky after sunset. Even the ambient lighting can be customized to match your mood, with themes inspired by Japanese nature, from warm sunrise tones to cool evening blues. But beneath all that refinement lies serious muscle. The 2026 Lexus LS 570 Wald V8 packs a re-engineered 5.7-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers pure power and performance. This engine produces an impressive 470 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque, channeled through a new 10-speed automatic transmission that offers lightning-quick gear shifts. Despite being a full-size luxury sedan, the LS 570 Wald V8 sprints from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 4.8 seconds, a testament to its tuned chassis and upgraded powertrain. Lexus has also introduced its latest performance management system, integrating engine, suspension, and traction control in real time. The adaptive variable suspension system automatically adjusts damping force to match road conditions and driving style, ensuring a perfect balance between comfort and stability. The Wald Edition's sport-tuned exhaust not only enhances performance but also produces a deep, refined growl that gives the car a distinct personality. When it comes to handling, the LS 570 feels composed and confident. The steering is precise, and despite its size, the car glides through corners with remarkable agility thanks to its rear-wheel steering technology and improved weight distribution. The brake system, upgraded with larger ventilated discs and advanced ABS modulation, ensures powerful and consistent stopping performance. The car also features multiple drive modes, from Eco and Comfort for smooth cruising to Sport S Plus for an aggressive, performance-oriented experience. On the technology front, the 2026 LS 570 is loaded with Lexus's latest safety and driver assistance features. The Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot detection, and even predictive cornering assist. The AI-based navigation system learns your driving habits and can suggest routes or even pre-adjust climate and seat settings based on the time of day or your destination. Fuel efficiency, while not its main selling point, has seen improvements thanks to advanced turbocharging and hybrid assist technology that helps optimize power delivery. The result is a surprisingly efficient drive for a V8 luxury sedan, offering both performance and long-distance comfort. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Lexus LS 570 Wald V8 is expected to start around $120,000 for the standard Wald package, while higher trims with full carbon fiber kits and luxury options could reach up to $150,000. Considering the craftsmanship, performance, and exclusivity it offers, the price feels justified. This is not just a car, it's a statement of prestige, performance, and perfection. The Lexus LS 570 Wald Edition isn't just about traveling from one place to another, it's about redefining what a journey feels like. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the purr of the V8 engine, reflects precision and passion. For those who demand elegance with an edge, and power wrapped in silence, the LS 570 Wald V8 is the ultimate expression of automotive artistry.